How to join a channel on Discord. There are two types of channel on Discord. One is the public, which is free to join, and the other one is the private, which you'll need the invitation of. Firstly, open up your Discord app, or you can also open up the website of Discord and then log into your account. Here you'll see an option for add server. If you click on it, on the bottom you'll see join a server. Here you need to paste in the invitation link of the channel that you want to join. If you don't have the invitation link, then you will need to ask for the invitation link to the group users. Insert the link and click on join server. Now to join the public server, you can click on this icon. Here it will show you all the public channels and the servers. You can also explore it here, or if you know the name of the channel, you can search it here. Open up the channel. There you'll see an option for join. Click on join. And just like that, you'll join a channel on Discord.